What if I score 0 marks in the CAT exam? Because कई को लगता है कि if you're from the reserved category, even if you get 0 marks, you can get IIM call. तो भाई ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Let me burst all the myths around that. So, hi guys, we're launching our G strategy program. So in case you would join us for quant, verbal, logic, we target 99 percentile and 90 percentile. Open category target 99, reserved category target 90 percentile. So you can check out the link in the description box in case you want to join. You're most welcome to join. These are the scores of the students who have scored very low section wise. In verbal, 0.62 marks is 15 percentile, minus 1.6 is 14. So 0 marks will be around 12 percentile. So verbal mein, if I score 0 marks, if I leave the paper blank, I'll get only 12 percentile, which is not going to help me anywhere. I'm not getting the IIM calls at all. Quant में if I lose DL logic, if I talk about, -8 is 1 percentile, 0.16 is 19 percentile. तो मतलब अगर मैं पेपर ब्लैंक छोड़ के आता हूँ in DLR section, I'll be getting 20 percentile. Okay, which is huge यार. मतलब पेपर खाली छोड़ दिया, I am beating almost 48,000 students. 48,000 बच्चा मेरे से पीछे हो जाएगा if I leave the paper blank. In quant is shocking. 1.84 marks, मतलब एक क्वेश्चन राइट भी नहीं. 1.84 marks is 40 percentile, minus 2.8 is 26 percentile. तो 0 is approximately 30 percentile. So in quant section, 0 marks is 30 percentile. And overall, if I look at the complete overall plan, so 0 marks is approximately, not that much, is approximately 8 percentile. 8 से भी थोड़ा कम, let's say 7 percentile. So overall, I'll get 7 percentile if I score a big anda, if I leave the paper blank. So it's not helping us in any core anyway. तो पेपर खाली छोड़ के IIM में admission मिलेगा, this and that, all these myth is stupidity. Please don't think about that. Let's start working for that and score more marks. So if I leave the paper blank in the quant section, I'm going to beat 86,000 students. If I leave the paper blank, CAT paper is that difficult. तो इसका मतलब ये है, rather than negative वे ना पॉजिटिव है कि मुझे और हार्ड वर्क करना पड़ेगा so that I can get a better percentile, I can get into the IIMs. All the best.